Welcome to the introduction to Express.js. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of Express.js and understand why it is a go-to framework for many developers. Express.js, often referred to simply as Express, is a popular web application framework for Node.js. It is designed to make the development of web applications and APIs both simple and efficient. It provides a robust set of features for building web and mobile applications, making it a favorite among developers. With Express, you can create a wide range of applications from single-page web apps to complex multi-page enterprise solutions. Known for its speed, flexibility, and minimalist design, Express simplifies the process of building web servers and APIs. Its lightweight nature allows developers to add only the components they need, making it highly customizable. Imagine Node.js as the foundation of your house. It provides the basic structure and support needed to build your application. Express.js acts as the pre-built walls, doors, and windows, providing structure and making it easier to build the rest of your application. It saves you time and effort by offering pre-configured solutions for common tasks. Without Express.js, you'd be writing a lot of code from scratch to handle every incoming request and response. This can be both time-consuming and error-prone, especially for complex applications. Express.js shines in its ability to handle routing, middleware, and templating with ease. These features are essential for building scalable and maintainable web applications. Routing allows you to define how your application responds to different client requests based on the URL and HTTP method. This makes it easy to create RESTful APIs and manage different endpoints. Middleware functions act as intermediaries, giving you the power to modify requests and responses at various stages. They can be used for tasks such as logging, authentication, and error handling. Templating engines simplify the process of generating dynamic HTML content, making your applications more interactive and engaging. With Express, you can easily integrate templating engines like Pug, EJS, or Handlebars to create dynamic web pages. Before diving into the world of Express.js, you need to set up your development environment. This is a crucial step to ensure that everything runs smoothly as you start building your applications. This involves installing Node.js and Express.js on your system. Node.js is essential because it provides the runtime environment for executing JavaScript code outside a web browser. Node.js is a powerful tool that allows you to run server-side code, making it a perfect companion for Express.js. It's widely used in the industry and has a large community of developers. Head over to the official Node.js website and download the installer appropriate for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions provided on the website to get Node.js up and running. Once Node.js is installed, you can easily install Express.js using the Node Package Manager, or NPM, which comes bundled with Node.js. NPM is a powerful package manager that simplifies the process of installing and managing libraries and frameworks. Open your terminal or command prompt and type the following command. This command instructs NPM to install the Express.js generator globally on your system. The generator is a handy tool that simplifies the initial setup of your Express.js projects. The generator simplifies project setup by creating a basic Express.js application structure. This structure includes all the necessary files and folders to get you started quickly. Navigate to your desired project directory and run the command. Replace with your preferred application name. This command will create a new directory with the basic scaffolding for your Express.js application, including essential files and folders. This new directory will contain everything you need to start developing your Express.js application, from configuration files to basic routes and views. Now you're ready to dive into coding and bring your ideas to life. Routing lies at the heart of any web application, determining how it responds to different client requests. In Express.js, defining routes is incredibly intuitive. You specify the HTTP method like get, post, put, delete, and the URL path, followed by a callback function. For instance, to handle a GET request to the root URL you would use. The callback function receives two objects, for the request and for the response. The object contains information about the client's request, such as headers, query parameters, and the request body. The object is used to send a response back to the client. You can use methods like to send a simple string response or to send a JSON response. Express.js provides flexibility in structuring your routes and handling various HTTP methods. Middleware functions in Express.js act as a series of functions that execute during the lifecycle of a request to your application. Think of them as checkpoints or filters that can modify requests, responses, or even terminate the request-response cycle. To use middleware, you define a function that takes 3 arguments, and the function signals the middleware to pass control to the next middleware function, inline, or to the route handler if it's the last middleware. Middleware is incredibly versatile and can be used for a wide range of tasks. Common use cases include logging requests, authenticating users, parsing request bodies, and handling errors. Express.js provides built-in middleware functions, such as for parsing JSON request bodies, and for serving static files like images, CSS, and JavaScript. Section 5. Templating with Express.js. Templating engines play a crucial role in generating dynamic HTML content on the server side. They allow you to create reusable templates with placeholders for dynamic data, making your applications more interactive and user-friendly. Express.js supports various templating engines, with Pug and EJS being popular choices. Pug offers a clean, white-space-sensitive syntax, while EJS provides a more traditional embedded JavaScript-like syntax. To use a templating engine, you need to install it by running and set the and properties in your Express.js application configuration. Once configured, you can render templates from your route handlers using passing the template name and an object containing the data to be inserted into the template. Section 6. Handling errors gracefully. Errors are an inevitable part of software development, and handling them gracefully is crucial for preventing application crashes and providing a good user experience. In Express.js, you can define error handling middleware functions to catch errors that occur during request processing. These functions are defined similarly to other middleware but with 4 arguments instead of 3, and the object contains information about the error that occurred. You can use this information to log the error, send an appropriate error response to the client, or perform other error handling tasks. It's essential to define error handling middleware functions after your other routes and middleware to ensure that they catch errors thrown or passed from previous middleware or route handlers. Section 7. Debugging Express.js applications. Debugging is an indispensable skill for any developer. When building Express.js applications, several tools and techniques can help you identify and resolve issues effectively. One common approach is to use statements strategically throughout your code to inspect variables, track the flow of execution, and pinpoint the source of errors. Node.js provides a built-in debugger that allows you to step through your code line by line, inspect variables, set breakpoints, and gain a deeper understanding of your application's behavior. Additionally, you can use debugging tools integrated into popular code editors like Visual Studio Code, which provide a visual interface for debugging and stepping through your code. Section 8. Deploying your Express.js application. Once you've built and tested your Express.js application, it's time to deploy it to a server so that users can access it over the internet. Numerous cloud platforms make deploying Express.js applications straightforward, including Heroku, AWS, Netlify, and Vercel. These platforms offer various features such as easy deployment pipelines, automatic scaling, custom domains, and SSL certificates to secure your application. The specific deployment process varies depending on the platform you choose, but most platforms provide detailed documentation and tutorials to guide you through the steps involved. Section 9. Conclusion. This exploration of Express.js has provided a solid foundation for understanding this powerful framework. We've delved into its core functionalities, learning how to set up routes, handle middleware, and manage various HTTP methods. From setting up your development environment to deploying your application, each step has been crucial in building your confidence and competence in using Express.js. You've gained valuable insights into the key concepts and best practices. These include understanding middleware, routing, and error handling, which are essential for creating robust applications. Remember that Express.js is just a tool, albeit a very powerful one. It's the foundation upon which you can build complex and scalable web applications. Mastering it takes time and practice. Embrace the learning process, experiment with different features, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each error is a learning opportunity. Don't hesitate to seek help from the vast and supportive Express.js community. There are numerous forums, tutorials, and resources available to assist you. As you delve deeper into the world of web development, you'll find that Express.js is just the beginning. There are countless other tools and frameworks to explore. You'll discover a myriad of libraries, frameworks, and tools designed to streamline your workflow and empower you to build incredible applications. Each tool has its own strengths and can complement your use of Express.js. The knowledge and skills you've acquired in this journey will serve as a solid foundation as you continue to explore the exciting and ever-evolving landscape of web development. Keep pushing your boundaries, stay curious, and never stop learning.